Welcome. In this video I will show you how to speed up your HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. So the most basic step to speed up your laptop is changing its power mode to performance. To do that, you have to right click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, select power and sleep settings and go to power mode. Now change your power mode from balanced to best performance, at least when your device is plugged in. Now besides, we also can open the task manager by right clicking the taskbar, go into task manager. Here first of all you can get rid of the excessive processes that use your device's CPU or memory in the background, so you can just sort the applications by their usage in the background, and then just remove the applications that you don't need to be working and using up your resources. Just make sure those are not system applications. Also go to the startup applications section and sort them by status, see which ones are enabled, and if those are not system applications, if those maybe are some game launchers, some modding tools, some charting apps, then you can disable them, and this way you will not only increase your device's startup speed, but you will also reduce the amount of applications working in the background on your laptop. Besides, also keep your device up to date, which you can easily do by going to settings, opening Windows Update, checking for updates. Don't forget to go into advanced updates, check in optional updates, and downloading the driver updates here. Speaking of driver updates and additional maintenance, download and install the HP Support Assistant application from the official HP Support website. Here you'll be able to check your device's health, and also on the dashboard you'll be able to optimize your performance simply by running the performance optimizer. Let's start it and let's see how it works. So here we can run the system file checker. We can empty recycle bin, clean web browser's history, disable search indexing, and enable storage space, and optimize the device in just one click. Besides, for additional updates, go to the third tab on the sidebar and go to Software and Drivers tab, check for updates, and make sure to keep all of the software updated on your device. Using this application, you'll be able to update all the software in just one click. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.